Is that cool? Everybody say yeah! Yeah! Okay, I need you guys to get in. That's it. I need you guys to get in a group of two. I'm gonna sit right here with the birthday boy. You're here. No, wait. So, first, I'm gonna give you a half a cup of blue. He's gonna come around and stir a cup with a half a cup of water. And then stir. And then I'm gonna go to the next step after that, okay? So the first partner stirs 30 times, don't break the bowl. And the next partner stirs another 30 times, okay? How's it going? Now, everybody grab a different color, okay? It's three colors. One for one, good. Maybe a little bit. And pour a little bit of color. Now, if you're ready, after you clear the color, put a little bit of glitter. Only one drop. Make sure there's no Okay, next we're gonna put liquid starch. Okay, slime. But you guys are gonna have to stir and stir and at the end it's gonna have to fall into your hands. So me and Steven are gonna come around. We're gonna come around. And we're gonna pour a little into your bowl. Just do not eat it. Everybody say don't eat it. Okay, if it's thick enough, as soon as it's this thick, start with your hands, kneading it like dough, like you're a bread maker. Use your fingers in there, that's why you need a partner. That's why you need a partner, it's gonna take time. Well,